Are you ready to elevate your content creation to new heights? Meet the DJI FLIP, the compact, powerful, and innovative drone that's perfect for creators on the go. From its lightweight design to its advanced AI features, this drone is a game changer for both beginners and seasoned pros. Let's dive into why the DJI FLIP is more than just a drone. It's your ultimate creative companion. First up, let's talk about the design. At under 249 grams, the DJI FLIP is lighter than an apple and fits right in your pocket. No training or examination is required to fly it in most regions, making it incredibly beginner-friendly. Whether you're a traveler, vlogger, or hobbyist, the FLIP is your ideal on-the-go companion. Safety and ease of use are key highlights. The foldable full-coverage propeller guard is built with a carbon fiber support structure, which is 1/60 the weight of traditional materials. This design protects both the drone and your surroundings, even if you're new to flying. And with palm takeoff, you can launch it effortlessly. No remote required. Now let's talk about visuals. The DJI FLIP features a 1x1.3-inch CMOS sensor, capturing 48 megapixel photos and 4K 60 FPS HDR video. The f1.7 aperture and dual native ISO fusion deliver stunningly vibrant images, even in low light. And for those cinematic slow-motion moments, the FLIP records at 4K 100 FPS for incredible detail. With up to 4x zoom, capturing distant subjects is a breeze. Plus, Smart Photo combines HDR imaging and scene recognition to make your photos pop with color and detail. The DJI FLIP is equipped with AI subject tracking, which keeps your subject perfectly framed no matter where you go. Whether you're hiking, biking, or dancing, the FLIP acts like your personal director, ensuring every shot is cinematic. From dynamic dronies to orbit shots, the FLIP offers 6 intelligent shooting modes, giving you endless creative possibilities. It's perfect for capturing professional-grade work without the need for advanced skills. Control the DJI FLIP effortlessly with the DJI Fly app. The Wi-Fi Direct connection ensures seamless setup, and the app's vertical interface makes one-handed operation simple. Plus, with voice commands like "Hey Fly," you can control the drone hands-free, letting you focus on the action. The DJI O4 video transmission system ensures smooth, clear footage up to 13 kilometers away. Pair it with the RCN3 or RC2 remote controller for maximum range and precision. All of this innovation is packed into a drone starting at just $439. For creators seeking quality, convenience, and affordability, the DJI FLIP is hard to beat. The DJI FLIP isn't just a drone. It's a creative tool that transforms how you capture and share your world. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, the FLIP makes aerial photography accessible and fun. Ready to take your creativity to the skies? Check out the DJI FLIP today. If you're as excited about this drone as we are, let us know in the comments below. Have questions about its features or want to share your thoughts? We'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech reviews, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update.